Step 1. Gently pry open the control panel using a screwdriver or paddle tool. Step 2. Bottom facing upwards, use a screwdriver to remove the bottom fixing screw. There are 6 screws fixed at the bottom. Step 3. Remove the control panel receiver. Remove the upper pump housing. Step 4. Using a screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the pump body. Step 5. Disconnect all plugs. There are a total of 4 plugs. Step 6. Remove the relay on the left and right sides. In this way, the pump body will be removed. Step 7. Remove the screws that secure the motor. Next, the motor and impeller can be disassembled. Sealing is better, so it needs to be disassembled with force. Need to use tools such as paddles. The pump body has been disassembled, and you can see the motor and impeller. Step 8. The next step is to disassemble the pump chamber. Due to the good sealing of the pump chamber, disassembly is difficult. It is not recommended to disassemble without professional tools. There are pressure and flow sensors inside the water outlet. As you can see, it's all inside.